In the heart of the sun-dappled town, 4 siblings lived in a house with an enchanting backyard. Radiant red tomatoes play hide-and-seek with orange pumpkins as the siblings tend to the magical vegetable garden. The gazebo, their castle and secret meeting place, was where the siblings hatched plans for grand adventures. With sunlight filtering through the lattice, Gabriella declares they will venture into the mysterious woods beyond. Lost in the woods, panic sets in as the siblings realize they have strayed too far from home. With each passing moment, the siblings grow more lost in the dense woods, unsure of which direction to take. Just as they are about to give up, the siblings encounter an old wise owl who offers guidance on using their senses to navigate. Following the owl's advice, the siblings successfully navigate their way back home, their eyes wide with newfound skills. Represented by the challenging woods, the antagonist tests the siblings' newfound skills and determination. Through persistence and teamwork, the siblings overcome the challenges posed by the woods, their faces marked with determination.